What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grem. And ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay nyo, yung PBA 50th season preview. Pero bago natin daanan yung bawat team and their team rosters. Grem,
Hmm.
nakita mo yung yung coin flip rule na yan. Please do the honors. Paki-explain. Sa first time makarinig na ano ba yung coin flip rule na yan na kumakalat ngayon sa social media? Totoo ba yan? Fake ba yan? Grem, please enlighten. Please
So the
enlighten us.
PBA, the forward thinking minds of the PBA thought na, hey, why do we still have to play yung 8 seed do or die game in case may magtabla, di ba?
Wag na
Let's
yun.
just do the quotient dog na yun. Wala namang thrill yun.
Kalokohan.
Lagi naman
50th season, di kailangan yun.
50th season kung kailan pinakamaganda yung liga namin. No, we're removing that. We're gonna do with the quotient system. And if it's not enough, if tabla-tabla pa rin, because I think what the article of spin.ph said was, if that won't break the tie, the head-to-head records of the two teams that figured in the tie come into play. So pag tabla kayong dalawa, then you excuse me, that's just so disgusting. You'll use the quotient system, man. This is not scripted. But if that can't do it, a toss coin will be used to settle the issue once and for all. A pro league where the standings don't matter. What you did for 10, 11 games won't matter. Pag natalo ka sa
You
coin
leave it
flip
to
and
luck.
Hey man, we have politicians who win by coin flip also. I'm I'm just saying, man. but then like, yo, that's so stupid, by the way. But I don't know if it's real or not. I just got into this episode, guys. I'm running on fumes right now.
Oh, it's real. That's no, that's real. Hindi yun joke
Yeah,
time. That
yeah. I
wasn't
don't
a
want. I
satire.
don't wanna. I don't wanna believe it's real. So I'm just gonna not pretend. I'm just gonna pretend it's not real, dude. So y'all
it's
can say whatever y'all say. I'm just
it's
not gonna.
para siya yung when I woke up in news about KD joining the Warriors, parang hey, is that true? Coin flip.
Coin
Are we
flip.
the are we the NFL? Are we the NFL? We're
Bro,
using coin
sobrang
flips
laugh
now?
trip ng coin flip. Kasi bakit? Baka mahal masyado yung arena, pre. Ayaw na nila mag-reserve ng dates.
Imagine, man,
8
coin
seed.
flip. You're,
Sino lang yung sa 8 seed yan.
Dude,
50th season, lahat tayo budget.
imagine,
bro,
imagine if Ginebra has a really bad season and so does
Oh, sabi
Baltimore.
natin.
Tapos na sila yung nagkatapat sa dulo. Tapos yung mangyayari coin flip.
bro, malupit
Pustahan
nun,
tayo,
brother.
bigla na lang re-retract yun. Ay, may coin flip pala tayo. It's because si Debra yun
Brother,
Ay, laro na lang sila, laro na lang.
That's just for teams who don't get tickets, guys.
On
bro,
a
just
case-to-case basis lang.
Man.
imagine Kinito Henson analyzing that coin flip, right? Look, did you see the spin of that coin? Like,
So it goes, okay, Hinebra, pick what side you're on. Heads, bang!
yeah. Bro, yung mga betting site will have a field day, no? Sa coin flip.
Oo, actually 50-50 lang yun.
Yeah.
50-50 lang yun. Talagang lang. Hati-hati lang
Yeah.
talaga.
Another thing, Nico, that they changed. Tinanggal nila si Eric Castro sa officiating committee. So they're trying to save face.
Wait, that's true. That's true?
Oh,
Okay.
nilagay na nila sa operations. I think si Noel Kilingen, siya ba yung referee na nag-retire?
I
So
have
nilagay na
no idea.
nila siya doon sa I forgot. Basta may isang referee na nag-retire, 'di ba? But it's si Noel Kilingen is siya nga yung nag-retire. Siya na yung head ng referees, and then a guy named Joey Guanyo, former player ata,
Side
is the
note,
new
go lang. Side
leader of
note,
the
man.
technical committee.
Since we're talking about new changes to the PBA, we need to talk about this is the elephant in the room. We need to talk about the name of the new team, man.
Oh,
The
we're gonna
Titan.
get there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna share a screen because we're gonna go through the teams.
Uh,
So we're
yeah,
gonna give that team its flowers. It's
no,
gonna have
no.
its own segment.
I'm not talking about their players, man. I'm just
Yeah.
talking about their
And then just the
name.
team.
I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
talking about their name, brother.
Yeah.
The Titan Ultra Giant Risers. That's Gemini's new team, by the way. Uh,
Sounds like it sounds like something that we need at
yeah.
night. Yeah.
There are other new rules. These are just some really funny rules, man. Yung offensive foul will count as a team foul. Okay naman yun for me kasi FIBA rule naman yun eh.
That's
For those
good.
who don't know. That's
Yeah,
actually
FIBA rule na
fine.
yun. It's just
No,
really the
but
coin flip for me. It's just really the coin flip.
Bro, alam mo yung isa pa ng rule na inanalay sa goaltending, lahat
Yeah.
talaga nung controversy ng game 1 ng SMB TNT, in-address nila eh. Di ba? Di na raw pwedeng balikan
Till
pag
this
hindi
day.
tinawag. Di ba? People
Just
were
that
not
Kasi
they
Eric
ano,
Castro nilagay sa kabila eh, no?
di ba? Di ba?
Just that-
Saving face, man.
Alright.
PBA.
Let me
Just
now
that-
share. The favorite part of this pod is sharing my screen. And here we go, boys. We are going to discuss the line. Do you guys see it?
I do.
So we're gonna first start with the black water. Busing. Best player for Blackwater, obviously Cedric Bearfield. This lineup looks like it can compete, especially with Dalf Panopio. Tingnan mo, may typo pa yung 9, no? T9. Hindi mo na talaga double check talaga yun, no?
Come on. Come on.
Or are we at Blackwater?
Yeah, you
Look
don't
at
see the
number
screen?
9, Mario.
T9.
Number
Look at number 9.
T9.
T9. Si bago yun. Hanggang ba yan?
Di ba lang kayo
Mario,
nag-check ng
Mario, may
kayo
tumalo na
nag-check
kay...
ng pub, pre, bago
Mario,
Alam mo,
may
kaya
tumalo na kay
di na
T4 sa
binibigyan ng
Vietnam.
media pass eh.
Oh, man,
Brother,
kaya
brother, sa Vietnam si T4 lang eh. Just
T4
T9.
din,
T9.
dito T9, pre. Tung.
Anyway, before that, what do you
their
guys think
lineup.
about Blackwater? Yeah, what do you guys think about overall looking at this lineup? Can it go to the quarterfinals? Basically, you just have to finish top 8.
No.
Hindi.
Oh,
But,
sorry. Was that too blunt? I'm so sorry.
no. I mean, no. Ako rin naman, no ako eh. But I feel like
Come on,
they look like a
brother.
league pass team that they're gonna make it fun. Because I like
Yeah.
Dalf Panopio. I like Bearfield.
Yeah. Dude, my only issue with this is who in the world is gonna play center.
Oh,
Yeah.
this
Hey,
guy
did you see number
right
13?
here. Pinoy Liga legend.
Hall of Fame.
Man.
And Abu
Clifford
Trotter. Abu Trotter with Magnolia was
He's a
pretty
power
fine.
forward, man.
But
He's a
he has to play center.
Dude, that's the
Si
problem.
Escoto.
That's
Si
the
Escoto, I
problem.
think.
Richard
These
Scott
people-
is a 4. Richard Scott.
Dude, these
Ah.
people are not really centers, if you ask me. Bradwin Ginto's a power forward.
As a
also.
forward, yeah.
The only real center on this list is that I zoomed in on kanina. And I don't know, man.
But I must have yung
I-
pangalan niya.
Brother, I shit on Japet Aguilar a lot, but I'd rather have Japet Aguilar than that. But like, I don't know. I agree with what you're saying though. It's gonna be a fun team. Cedric Bearfield is there.
Yeah, Panopio, Dalf.
Dalf Panopio is there. That's also gonna be
JCD, pwede rin. JCD will get playing time here.
fun. Jack will get
Yeah,
playing
he will
time.
get playing
Christian
time.
David. Oh, dude, yeah, for sure. Christian David, I think could have
Obviously, yeah.
a good year. But I think it's just the same old, man. I forgot what we were supposed to do if we were
Were
doing
you-
rankings, whatever.
Yeah, it's
But-
okay. No rankings. It's more of like X Factor. Do you think they're in the bottom 3 or hindi
Yes.
naman? They 8 to 10, na 9, 10 sila, mga ganun.
Ilan
Or
teams tayo?
9.
12.
You have 12,
12.
so maybe 9,
12,
10, bottom 2,
So I think I'd say like 10 or 11.
10, 11 sila.
10,
Okay.
11.
Best
Where are you
case scenario
excited
for
for?
them is playing for ano.
Who am I
8,
excited
8.
for? Aside from Dalf, obviously, I'm excited for Troy Malilin, man. Everybody knows I like
Oh,
Troy
Hinebra
Malilin.
legend. Hinebra yun, di ba? Or yun, SMB, sorry. Na-mix up ko na yung
Dude,
SMC ko.
Former NCAA Juniors MVP. Never really got his shot in the college level, but bro, he's a baller, brother. He's a wing who can drive the ball. So I hopefully this year he's able to get an opportunity.
Rookie of the Year, Cedric Bearfield, by the way. Mali tayo lahat.
Finalize na yun.
Hey, final na ba yun? I was about to go there.
Hindi ko alam.
kanina.
Feel ko ata, I don't know. As of this recording, I think, parang si Cedric ata yun. I don't know.
Take it to the grain of salt. Anything that Homer Sison says about Inebra or about the SMC Corporation.
He
take it
doesn't
to a
like
grain of
SMC, no?
salt
He
because
doesn't like
we-
SMC, no?
No, he doesn't. He obviously doesn't. But that guy has lotion and 3 pairs of hands when Inebra loses to TNT in the finals. So that speaks a lot. Their conference Blackwater start good and then nagka-falter sa dulo. If they start good, they could be in that 8-9 coin flip situation, man. But
They're in the 8-9 coin
um,
flip situation.
yeah, but in this conference, it's going to be tough kasi nga wala silang big man. In the reinforced conference, so imagine adding George King to this lineup, man. Guaranteed 8 seed.
Oh, actually, George
So
King, yeah.
guaranteed 8 seed. So for now, not too much with Blackwater. It's
Yeah.
again one of those games na pwede mo i-circle as a win if you're one of the top 7
League
teams.
Pass team nga. The fun team to watch, Fun team to
Yeah,
watch with
yeah.
Dove. Gives you a few wins, 3 wins or 4. All right.
That is
Next
right.
one. The Converge Fiber Xers. Hindi talaga natuloy yung Mikey Williams to Converge. But still, take a look at this lineup. You got GDL. You got Justin Arana. You got Rafi. Joke lang. Ano tawag? You got Shawnee Winston. You got Alex Stockton. So much guards, no? I'm kind of concerned considering na GDL, Winston, Stockton. I'm missing someone. No, I mean, yeah, those 3. There's only one ball to go around. And Justin Arana needs his touches as well.
Same J. Garcia pa yung magiging starter dyan, pre.
Dahil si kay
Dahil
Coach
out of
Delta,
si
no?
Coach Delta.
Oo, yeah. Baka
Out
si
of si
Garcia
Coach
pa nga.
Delta. Same J. Garcia starter. I like it. I like the lineup naman. I just don't really know at this point sino talaga yung spot-up shooter nila now. Kasi that's the
Spot-up
role
shooter.
na
Wala na si Brian Santos, eh.
that's the role that Brian
Like
Santos
Klay
filled, eh.
Thompson kind of
Yeah.
ganun.
Yeah. Kasi out of the rest of the players, si Ray Suerte na siguro yung pinaka-shooter.
Actually,
And I don't really
K-Rax
know
din. Si
if he...
K-Rax. K-Rax.
K-Rax. Si K-Rax.
Oh, come
K-Rax,
on,
corner.
guys. Stop it.
Siya na
K-Rax
yung
is
next.
not getting...
No, siya na yun. Pero siya na yung gagawin nilang ganun. Ganun siya ginagamit last
Dude.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's like
that
Baka
solidifies
mauna
your
pa si
point,
King
Mario.
Carolito.
No,
Mario,
but
Mario.
that solidifies your point, Mario. That solidifies your point na imagine mo next na si K-Rax.
kulang sila doon.
Which
Yeah.
shows the need talaga na wala na yung shoot. Bryce Santos na wala pa.
Mario
Yeah.
is like he's like si Harrison Barnes, parang ganun si K-Rax.
Yeah. I know how K-Rax plays. I just don't think he should still be getting
Yeah.
minutes.
Oh,
The
okay.
big
You're in
team.
the cap na no more minutes for K-Rax. Okay.
Yeah, dude, give it to King na lang or something.
I'll give it to 25. Give it to 2-5.
Dude, let's talk about 2-5 right there, man. Holy shit. If there's somebody who can teach Justin Baltazar how to become the best player in the PBA, it is
Rafi.
number 25 right there. My goodness. 50 years old, 60 years old, 70 years old, it don't matter.
He still be there.
It don't matter. He was, dude, can you imagine? He was there for so many name changes. Now, umabot na siya sa Santa Lucia, umabot din siya sa Converge. Like, it doesn't matter, man.
Bro, alam mo ba? Si Rafi Ribis, that guy started with the Coca-Cola Tigers in the
This is
PBA.
my point.
Ay, Coca-Cola pa.
This is my point,
Ilan ba ako nun? 7 years old?
Bro,
6 years old
he
ba?
entered the PBA in 2002. I have a theory kung bakit 25 yung napili na number. He's gonna play in the PBA for 25 years.
25 more years.
25
more years.
95 more years. And then he'll see if he'll retire. Hindi pa siya sure.
Bro, yeah,
Then that's
retire
changing to
baka
2-6. That's changing to 2-6 next year.
He'll be like, what?
Brother,
ganyan
baka
ako.
amunin din tayong boxing ng iba mga player because we're dissing Rafi Ribis.
Oh, by the way, thoughts, Justin Baltazar, will we see a leap or
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi
Something
wala siya
leap.
masyadong kalaban sa ano niya, sa posisyon niya.
Hello?
Yeah.
Arana's
No
right
one's-
there.
Arana.
No, but they're gonna start together, right?
That's my thing. I don't like Balti and Justin starting at the same time.
But you know that Coach Delta might actually do
I know
that.
he will. I know
Oh.
he will. So ang lineup ni Coach Delta ay MJ Garcia, JL De Los Santos, Justin Baltazar, Justin Arana. Tapos Kevin Rakan.
One.
Tapos off the bench na yung, iba.
Off the bench na yun. Pero in all seriousness, brother, I don't really like Justin Arana and Justin Baltazar at the same time. Kasi parang medyo nawala yung shooting ni Balti, if I'm being honest.
Yeah,
So,
yung Coach Tab days, yeah.
yeah, so baka, or maybe nag-improve na siya this offseason. So it might be different. Pero I think I'm excited about in this lineup has to be number one, Juan Gomez de Leaño.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to see him back playing. It's been such a long time since we've seen Juan play like literally all the time. Last time we saw him was in the UAAP, so I'm excited to see him play.
Same here. Excuse me. This is legitimately pencil in top 4 team of all conferences.
Well,
sa
I'm
season
3.
50.
This is 3. Top 3 for me.
Yeah, no, yeah, but they're in that inner circle. Tas
They're the
bigyan mo ng malakas
the
na
upper
import.
echelon. They're in that.
No,
Yeah.
dude. Graham just
Oh.
made them 4 kasi NLEX is number 3.
Yeah! Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo pasalubong?
Yeah, yari na naman ako sa TNT fans nito kasi may kailangan ako alisin. But hey, this is a good lineup. All Filipino. This looks complete. Kulang nga lang sa kanila yung legitimate kick out shooter that
Okay.
that Mario talked about. Pero if you look at this lineup, you can argue, man, that this team can legitimately win it all this conference. Yung Converge. I'm saying a lot of good things because I'm gonna be meeting the bosses on Sunday. But in reality, they're really good. They scare me.
They're a scary
Because
team.
of
Yeah, they're a
Balti
scary team.
and Juan and Arana. That trio. Tapos nandiyan pa rin hindi na nawala si Winston and si Stockton, man. They are
But
really
Nico makes a
filthy.
very good point, brother. There's only one ball, man.
There's only one ball to go around.
There's only one ball to go around, man.
The production
It doesn't-
of the
Yeah,
stats
Bro,
of
it doesn't hurt.
Stockton. May bababa
I
ng stats
truly
dyan. May
believe,
bababa.
dude, may kailangan silang i-trade for a knockdown shooter. I don't know who it could be or should be, but I think they honestly, dude, Magnolia fans will hate me for this, but then if Converge asks you for Javi and you get back either Shawnee or Alex Stockton, I might say yes.
Bro, they need a shooter.
Both
Ano?
Shawnee and Alec? Or
No,
one of
or
them lang?
one of them plus somebody else siguro.
Yeah, parang feel ko Alex Stockton plus add the K-Rax.
Hindi, Alex Stockton, tapos balik natin si Rafi Rivas sa Magnolia.
Oh, wow. Ice of the century, brother.
Tayo LA. Ayaw yan!
But yeah,
Bro.
I just think Nico makes a very good point na there's not all of these guys are medyo ball dominant for them to be good. But again, I really don't really know. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but that's how I see it right now.
Okay.
Top
It doesn't
4 for sure.
hurt.
Top
It doesn't
four.
hurt to have that many ammunition. And they
I
need a
know.
shooter. They can get Jeremiah Gray for Justin Arana. Down with
Oh,
it.
speaking of Jeremiah. Ay, wait. So, top 4 tayo for Converge? Top 4
Oo.
before we move on?
Oo, for sure.
Okay.
For sure.
So, move on to the Barangay Ginebra. San Miguel Gin Kings.
Another top 14.
Bav, Troy,
You know what?
Scotty.
Just for this part, I'm gonna be completely silent. I'll just let Graham handle it.
Graham,
And
nasan tayo? Ano ang sa kabarangay? Ikaw
Top
top
4.
4.
No, they're top 4 team. They will reach the semifinals depending on who they draw and who's on the other bracket. Doon natin yung malalaman. But looking at that lineup, it's as strong as you can get, di ba? They lost Malonzo, they replaced him with the Steel. The only thing that they weren't able to address talaga is his center, which Isaac Go may be coming. I think January yung target comeback date ni Isaac Go. But if you look at this
But
lineup,
so
it's really
far,
good.
you got Norbert Torres. It's gonna be Norbert Torres for now while you wait for George.
Yeah, Norbert Torres is fine.
bro, I
it's
think Norbert is gonna fit really well, if I'm being honest with you, man.
High IQ player siya. Mhm.
Kasi a 3-point shooting big, I really believe that's what Coach Tim wants, man. He hasn't had a 3-point shooting big since I don't know.
Joe Devance.
Yeah,
Joe
do we
Devance,
count
no?
him as a big? Well, Ralph
He is a
Fu,
big. He is a big.
Oh,
Yeah.
Prince Caperal.
Prince
Is
Caperal,
a-
Prince Caperal, exactly. Yung literal na center yung nilalaro. Kasi Japet's not gonna shoot threes. Well, he does.
Mid-range
but
lang
he
si
won't make
Japet,
them.
no?
Christian
Japet's
will-
mid-range
Yeah.
bankers.
Japet's a mid-range shooter talaga. Yeah, unless he's in Gilas, he'll shoot threes for some reason. And then C-Stan
Last
was
second
never
threes.
gonna shoot a three. Greg was never gonna shoot threes naman. I think Norbert fits very well. And ito nga yung dream, ito man talagang gusto i-pick ni Coach Tim dati, di ba?
Yeah,
Norbert
he
over
was,
Scotty.
I think nasa Magnolia pa ata siya nun. I think nasa Magnolia pa siya ng mga panahon na yun. But yeah, he's high on Norbert. And you know, I like Norbert. Just inconsistent, but with the shortage of
You can do
center
that, Mario.
ng
Galing,
Ginebra.
You can do this wala,
Um,
Mario. How did you do that?
yeah.
You can edit pala. Galing,
No,
you can
Maverick
annotate. You can annotate.
Yeah, you can
Nice.
annotate. I'm just done with Maverick and Missy, man.
Come on, Graham, tell me about the guy I encircled.
Yeah, no, I'm just done with them, man.
No. I feel like this
This-
is a redemption season. This is gonna be the make or break year na for
For
Mav
Mav.
and Maya. Kasi wala nang Jamie. This is gonna be
Wala
their
si Jamie.
chance to shine, to prove one last time na may asim pa sila. Ito yun.
Here's
I
my
agree.
question, dude. Now that Jamie Malone's out of the lineup, who takes his
Maya.
spot? You think it's
Steve,
Maya?
Holt's gonna be the 3 here. He's gonna be the small forward. Aakit siya ulit. Parang Terra Firma Days, Mario.
So
So
Holt's
not
gonna be the
not defensive superstar Jason David.
no.
defensive.
Not defensive superstar Jason David.
No, I think Holt will be 3 and then Maya will be 2. Is
You think
that
Maya's
how
gonna
it
start
goes?
over Mav? Do you think Mav can play the
Yeah,
2?
of course.
So you're
Mav
going
should,
Scotty, Maya, Holt, Troy, Japet?
yeah. That's how it goes.
How
Okay,
about
well,
your
I just want to add this before
rookies?
Graham
Yeah,
moves
go
on.
Mario.
Ginebra one man. Whoever shot Ginebra's team photo owes Ben Adamos some money. Um, man, dude, I
Yeah, look
don't know,
like just Dado Makapagal, man.
dude,
Just
dude,
that
I did.
kapag
He looked a lot older than how old Ben Adamos is, dude. And I swear, you can ask. I asked so many people if I'm going crazy or not because I sent them the picture. I was like, "Yo, is this who is this in the middle?" And they kept saying it's Ben. They kept saying they don't know, and apparently it was Ben Adamos.
Ito si Benadamos.
Dude, if I'm correct, isn't Ben Adamos like 20 something? I don't know.
Mas bata sa akin yun.
Yeah,
Bro,
dude. Like,
bro,
but
trust Mario, nakita niya sa Burger King 5 minutes after that.
Oh,
true, dude. Dude, I don't know.
Bro,
He
not
just not.
Wikipedia, not Instagram.
No,
ay,
no. I'm
dami
trying to
na
see
sa
if he cut
Asian
his hair
beer.
or something, man. See, his hair is still long naman eh.
Ito yung latest. Isa ba yung
Yeah.
latest? Ito ba? Oh.
He
Ah,
Oh,
can
hindi.
this is
Kinuha
last
niya
year.
talaga.
Hindi, ito yung last year. Ito yung last year. Ito yung ngayon. Ay, hindi.
Hindi. Yung
52 weeks
naka-blue
ago.
siya. Yung
Asan?
naka-blue siya. Yung naka-blue siya.
Dito? Ito yung latest.
Oo. Oo.
Did he look so older?
Baka ginupit niya na talaga. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm,
nag-cut na siya
Ma-
ng hair. Pero he looks older.
that's him.
He does look a bit
Yeah.
older than before. Wala mo,
Yeah.
nag-mature na siya.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Literal.
Yeah, baka I go with Graham on this top 4 team. It
Ralph Koo,
really
by the way, can fill good minutes dahil wala si Jamie.
He has
Especially
to
sa All
shoot. I don't know
Filipino.
what happened to his
Ralph
confidence.
Koo
He just
needs
let it
way more
fly.
minutes. Ralph Koo needs way more minutes, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ayaw
By the
tumira
way, why
bigla
do I
eh.
say Ralph Koo? Is this
Yeah.
name Rafael?
Yes,
Ralph
Rafael
Koo?
Ku. He's Rafael
Yeah,
Ku.
these are, I think, their government names.
Yeah, but then how did he become Ralph if there's no L in Raf? If there's no L before the
Nilipat
P?
lang.
Ralphael. But anyway,
Asking the real questions, ha?
Bro,
yeah.
imagine how Nico got Nico.
Sa Francisco
Right?
akin. Francisco
Yeah.
sa akin. Francisco.
So how's that Nico?
And, I see.
Imagine
Oh,
where did Graham get Graham from Graham? Like what the fuck?
oh yeah, where did Graham Saan galing yun?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro, but one last thing, if
Yeah,
Isaac
wrap up ano, San Miguel.
if Isaac
We're gonna move.
comes back, I'm not gonna be afraid of any team.
Oh, you have to wait for his knee. You have to see what happens to the knee first. This is a big man with issues.
Here's
Okay
my
naman
thing,
sa UAP nakapag-joke nga siya, di ba? So maybe he's
dude,
okay.
here's my thing with this lineup right now, dude. You need
sorry.
a very aggressive Scotty and RJ talaga. Hindi na talaga pwede yung
Yeah.
law na Scotty Thompson, bro. He needs to be aggressive the entire season for them to have a good chance. Kasi outside of Scotty and RJ, I don't really think anybody can create their own shot anymore, man.
Yeah.
Si Mav
Especially
dati
sa-
pwede pa, pero I don't think he has his confidence back unless they've turned him back into Converge Mavamnisi.
That's not
But
gonna
then,
happen.
yeah, you never know, man. Or
Yeah.
unless Sonny Estill all of a sudden turned into to Coach Tim's favorite player in the world, and turns out to be great. I don't really know.
Yeah, the stats in the MPBL are not
Hey!
encouraging.
So wala si Abyss.
Who?
He's not part of the roster. He didn't get signed. It's just
Really?
Sonny
Oh,
Estill.
yun sa
John Abyss.
Perpetual.
Yeah.
Wala.
Oh,
Well, it is what it is. Top 4 team, for sure.
Okay.
yeah.
Favorite team ni Graham? The Magnolia Chicken
Oh,
Templado
Graham,
Sanchez with
mute ka
LA
muna. Graham, mute
Tenorio.
ka muna.
Also
Graham, mute ka
part of
muna.
the playing pero injury reserve, whatever. Of course, our boy, friend of the pod, Javier Gomez Del Llano, Xavier Lucero re-signing, the franchise player, Jerome Lastimosa another year. Gab Gomez, Ateneo Blue Eagle, getting signed. Congrats.
Hey, look at the
Logjam
comments
though.
sa side
There's
for
Andrada, yeah.
Andrada.
So, yeah. So alam naman natin yan na some of most rookies are in the MPBL pa rin, who are in the thick of the playoff race, and then some are in the NCAA, just finishing their last year.
Ba't si still nakapirma?
That's how much Pampanga doesn't need him. We don't need you, sige. Lipat ka na. Hindi siya kailangan ng Pampanga, bro. Hindi siya kailangan ng Pampanga, bro. Hindi daw
And
siya
by the
helpful
way,
sa...
Nico, how fucking dare you? You went
Ano?
through everybody but didn't mention James Laput. How
Yeah.
dare
Hindi
you,
pa ako
man?
tapos. Graham
How...
told me to
Yes,
go
you
to...
were. Yes, you
I
were.
wasn't done. I wasn't
You were
done.
already
Sabi
at Gab Gomez. He should have been the first name you said. James Laput should have been the first name you said, man.
Ano ba
How
number James
dare-
Lapot? 42.
You already said Xavier. You said Xavier already.
22!
Jerome.
22, 30. Hindi pa ako bumababa.
That's my but you went back to Gab Gomez after.
Ano
You
muna?
jumped. You jumped. You just
Pag,
forgot
alam mo
about
kasi,
the
pag
coach.
best player, hinuhuli.
Yeah,
You
di ba?
just
So,
forgot
parang
about
sa
the coach.
pagpapakilala, di ba?
Oo, hinuhuli. Bakit si Bolik ba inuuna? Hindi, hinuhuli si Bolik. Kaya si James Lapot, hinuhuli. James Lapot
Hey, too much NLEX talk.
LA.
Too much NLEX talk.
Tama
Boss
na.
LA, Coach LA, please. Huwag mo gawin yung ginawa ni Coach Chito. Palaroy mo naman si James Lapot.
Let
Philippine
James
naman to
Laput play. Let James
Yeah.
Laput play, man. He is 7 foot goodness, you know? Like, he isn't bad 7 feet. He's not Kem Holmqvist, you know what I mean? He's actually a good 7-footer.
Na-trigger na naman si Greb. Kent Holmquist.
Hey, calm down.
Oh.
Calm down.
Hey, calm down.
But again, bro, same thing with this lineup for Magnolia. Honestly, their best addition was Javi, and of course, that's gonna be a great addition. But I don't think Gab Gomez gets many minutes in this lineup.
I don't
man.
think he will get a lot of minutes, yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe an injury to Mark
No,
Baroka
he
could
won't.
open up.
maybe.
Dami niyang dadaanan bago niya makuha yung
Dami
minutes
na daanan,
gusto niya.
brother. He has
But
to get
also,
to
kasi
Peter Polly, Gab Gomez, Mark Baroka, Jerome
Dami.
Lastimosa, Peter Alfaro. He has to get through so many people. The only person who has a guaranteed starting lineup spot is Rome De La Rosa.
Hey, why
And
not
Javi.
Laput? Why not Laput?
Javi might not have a starting spot, brother.
Why? Why do you
I
think
don't
Javi
know.
will not start? Because
I don't know.
Lapot,
Coach
ito,
Tito.
Lapot,
nga pala si Coach LA na nga pala to.
LA na to. LA na to.
LA na nga pala to. LA na nga pala to.
Ito Chito.
Yeah, my bad.
Pero starting lineup looks like Sanggalang, Lucero, Deliano. Who's the two?
Laput.
Di,
Si Laput, I think it's the starting center kasi Sanggalang's naturally a 4, di ba?
Baka,
Yeah.
I don't know with Coach LA, I don't know.
I think you
Okay.
still start Mark Baroka, dude. I still
Mark
think
Baroka's the
and
one.
Polly.
Who's the two?
I
Okay.
think you go Mark Baroka, Peter Alfaro.
Alfaro has been starting last season.
Alfaro
But
over
that is
Polly?
because of Chito. But that is because of Chito. Coach Chito.
Yeah,
Iba na
but
to
then-
Hindi natin alam eh.
I still think he still gets the start unless they go big and they go
Rome can play the two, di ba?
Baroka-
Rome can play the
Baroka,
two.
Javi, Lucero, Sanggalang, Laput, or Sanggalang, Junicia or something like that, man. They could go
Scott,
big.
huh?
I think that Magnolia has a very good lineup, very good
Yeah,
deep
they
lineup.
do. They do.
Maganda. With the mix of the future.
Oh, tapos may playing coach pa silang LA Tenorio.
Pero
Yeah, di
nasa
ba?
injury reserve naman. So.
Injured reserve, same with Isaac Go. This is a good lineup. In all honesty, and it pains me to say this on a Friday night when I should be enjoying myself. But man, malakas tong lineup na to in reality when you look at it. They
Talaga.
have the shooters, they have the clutch, they have the guards. Some of them are not clutch, and then they have the big. Only one big, actually Sanggalang. So two big serviceable bigs. This is a good lineup. This can really contend.
Yeah, two
Again,
serviceable bigs. It's Laput and Sanggalang.
Oh,
And
hey
Sanggalang,
man,
diba?
give some respect to Eriobo. I think Eriobo is a serviceable big man.
No.
I think okay, Graham. Let's put it in a scenario. Ben Adamos or Joseph Eriobu.
Bro,
Ano may
you put
compare?
him against
Ano may
no.
compare kay Adamos? Adamos
Ay,
catching strays
Damos,
again.
grabe naman. But man, this is a good lineup. They're in that conversation na
Top
parang
5,
when they
top
get the
6.
right,
Top 5.
yeah, ganon. When they get the right matchup, they can go to the semifinals and possibly make some noise.
Okay.
I'll leave it at that.
Best
Good
X
casting.
Factor. X Factor. For me it's Javi. If Javi has a good all Filipino, I think Magnolia can, go all the way to wherever
Bro,
they
sa
want to
akin
be.
yun lapot. Talaga
Lapot sa'yo.
pag yan
If
napagana
Lapot
ni Coach
finds
LA,
his okay,
pag yan napagana ni Coach LA,
sa'yo
he's
Lapot.
gonna give teams
Bro,
trouble,
here,
man.
for me kasi, you know what Laput is? Laput to me is Zubac. Okay?
Yeah, yung
Laput,
gives you like 12
Laput
and
to me,
10.
Yun nga.
yeah.
Oh.
Yung when he was on the Lakers, they didn't know how to use him. Then when he went to the
Mm-hmm.
Clippers, Coach Ty Lue
He's
figured
good.
out how to use him. That's how I feel Laput is. Because this has to be, he's 7 foot and he's not a bum, dude.
Hindi nga siya bum.
Everybody who's Everyone who's 7 foot and is not a bum is a good basketball player. And I
That
don't
is
really
right.
understand benching the man. Especially benching the man and forcing Rafi
For
Rivas to
Rafi
outgive out Kelly
Rivas.
Williams.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
know what I mean? What can we do? But yeah, I agree. I think I'll still be with Nico on this. I think it's Javi.
Mm.
We know what everybody else here can do, man. We literally know what everybody else on this list can do. I think Javi is just the one who has to fill in that final spot na pwedeng mag-finals, pwedeng mag top 3, top 4.
Yeah, that
Okay.
makes sense. Don't like it,
Also, I'm
but
so
it makes
sorry, guys,
sense.
if I'm in this position. I'm just tired, guys. I'm just
Okay,
tired.
next
Kakolat
up,
ka namin.
Meralco Bolts.
Good
Alain Maliksi is
uniforms.
back. Glad to see Alain Maliksi back. I like the uniform as well. I'm a fan.
Dude,
Not a
is
lot
this
of
the
people are
most
fan.
intact lineup?
Like
Yeah, actually,
complete.
it is. It is. They're kind of complete now. Back na ulit.
I mean,
Aaron
like,
Black is there. Maliksi is there. Usually,
wala
one
ba
of the
silang
two or
rookie?
both are. They have a rookie. Si Jason Brickman.
Brickman. Where is he?
Am I going
MP.
crazy?
He's an
MP
MP.
pa ata siya.
Oh,
He's in Abra.
Ah,
He's in Abra.
okay.
what
So
do you guys
so
think
far
about
we've
this
seen
lineup?
that every player is still in the MPBL, so they're not in these lineups. But Sunny still is in Ginebra. So I don't know. Don't know what you guys want to feel about that, dude.
Coach Al, man. Coach Al
So,
making.
baka close lang talaga sila, pre. This lineup is we can't really talk about it that much, man, if I'm being very honest with you. Kasi um this is the same lineup we've seen for a while. At least healthy na sila ngayon. Yan yung good part, 'di ba? Hopefully Brandon Bates, we see finals dominant Brandon Bates again. Tapos hopefully really healthy Aaron Black and Chris Newsome and Alain Maliksi and
First time in
Bolquero.
a long while.
Dude,
One
Alain
of
Maliksi
the,
is
ano,
so fun to watch when he's healthy. Kasi ang smooth niya maglaro. Sobrang swabe ni Alain Maliksi maglaro.
yeah.
And this is coming from a Ginebra fan who watched this guy eliminate Ginebra that 1 year. Like, he's just very smooth. So, I don't know. I like it. I don't really know how far it goes. I'd say it's like the sixth best team in the league.
Oh, really? Have them above Magnolia, but that's probably me speaking. One of the best collection of front court players in the PBA.
Yeah.
Look at that front court, man.
Can go to the finals, to be honest. This is the
Yeah,
solid
again,
team. Yung all
if they
Filipino
draw
lineup. Ito yung ano eh.
if they draw the right matchup, bro, tinalo nga San Miguel sa finals, di ba? So
Yeah.
that means they can do jack in the all Filipino conference. So should expect a lot of good things from Meralco, which is good for the PBA. Para iba naman, although they're part of the MVP camp, pero di ba, iba naman, para iba naman. Meralco, I like
And
them.
Coach
Really, I don't
Luigi
want to
plus
see them.
Coach
I don't want to
Nenad
see them.
is a great 1-2 punch also.
Bro, I
Damn,
think the best thing
that.
about this is like, wala silang masyadong need na time mag-gel on the court. Kasi ito na rin
Ito na
talaga
yun
yung
eh.
lineup nila.
Ito na talaga
Diba?
lineup nila.
Been like this for the longest time.
Alam
And
mo
dude,
sino
I don't
bago lang?
know.
Si Kurt Rayson lang. Like yung active roster, Kurt
Yun
Rayson.
naman
Yun lang talaga pinasok.
Dude, and another thing, I don't know what gods Cliff Hodge prays to, but he has not gotten injured with how he plays. Is absolutely
Yeah.
crazy, by the way.
Sino kaya Diyos yun,
The
no?
way I don't know which god he's praying to or if he goes to yung doctor ni Doctor Strange nung nawalan siya ng daliri or something. Dude, I don't know what the
Hey,
heck.
hey, hey. I think Mario, you're forgetting MVP owns Meralco. Alam mo yung mga halamang gamot ng MVP Cup, di ba?
TNT?
Biglang gumagaling
Oh,
yung mga
TNT.
player
Oo
nila.
nga
So,
pala,
they
guy.
share the same remedy,
You
bro.
forgot.
Sorry,
Oy,
bro.
they've been slacking, ha? They caused Poy Eram to lose a season. They made
Well,
Poy
Oh,
Eram
baka hindi
actually,
kaya ng
actually.
halamang gamot. Yeah.
Ba kinailangan kay ni Cliff Hodge? Hiniram muna ni Cliff.
Baka inubos lahat ni Cliff Hodge, oh.
Nawala ng stock para kay Aram. Dang it.
To be fair, man, they got them all healthy back. They got Maliksi, Banquero, and everybody
Yeah.
back healthy.
Malixis back.
And
Finally,
Bates.
tagal na wala ni
Bates.
Alain. I think 2 conferences.
Yeah. Do also side note lang, I said this before na I was very adamant that Chris Newsom was gonna leave Meralco. But I think he signed with them
He
again.
resigned. Di lang natin nakita yung article, but he resigned.
Yeah.
Gusto ko niya makita sa Ginebra, di ba?
Yeah, I thought he was gonna go to Ginebra, but I don't know if I liked it from being, but you know, good for him that he's back on Meralco. I think he really wants to end his career there sooner rather than later, so it's fine.
Okay.
Chris Newsom never doesn't feel right anyway. But
Where's Meralco?
would-
Top 4, top 5,
I say 6.
nandun sila.
top
No,
6.
nandun sila sa
Top
next,
5.
very, very close getting into the to the top 4. I have them top 5.
Yeah, top 5 sila. Parang top 5 nga sila. Top 5. Next. Ay!
Too much talk.
The number 2 seed. Wala pa of course ano tawag dito? Wala pa sina LJ Gonzalez. Considering that they are still in the MPBL, the Quezon Huskers. Very much the same lineup. Nothing changed. Absolutely nothing changed from the last conference.
Yeah.
JB Bahio, another conference. I like JB Bahio. Feel ko yun yung X factor para sa NLEX. Top 7.
Tapos na ba? Hindi pa.
Tapos na. But realistically, so my heart says number 2, but my head says number 7, 8. 7, 8. Nasa coin cost kami. Nasa flip coin kami, territory.
I don't know why you're all so low on NLEX.
Yun nga, I have him 7. 7
I
or
have them above,
flip coin.
I have them above Magnolia.
You have everybody
course.
above Magnolia.
Except na Firma.
You have everyone
You'll
above.
never know. You'll never know. But
si Mario may thumbs down.
I didn't even do that, but gets naman.
they were the 2 seed nung last All Filipino conference.
Yeah, they were. But we lost in the first round.
What happened in the quarters? What happened in the quarters, man?
Yeah, we're talking about the whole conference pala. Next to Meralco,
yeah.
Sila yung mga team na if may option ka kung lalabanan mo ba yung nasa top 4 or sila, syempre pipiliin mo sila, but you really don't want to see them. Yung NLEX and Meralco. So,
the GOAT, Brandon Ramirez is also here, yeah. Mario. If Mario took basketball seriously, Brandon Ramirez.
Dude, I'm just looking at this lineup and I don't really know what to say. Because it's just like, yes, they have players there, but we just know how you all perform at the end of the day, diba? Like, dude, come on, man. See JV Mocon first 6 games of the season, he's the GOAT, and then at the end he just forgets how to play ball. I don't know why you still have a slot for Baser Ramer there. You guys haven't used him in a year, it feels like.
How about number 1, Mario? How about Richie Roger over there?
I don't know what you guys did with Richie Roger. I know he was supposed to be good, but I don't know what happened to him. Again, this is just Bolick or nothing. Again, dude, it's just Bolick.
Cyrus Torres though has been consistent.
Oh yeah, everybody.
Cyrus.
Right, yeah. It's just Bolick and Cyrus until LJ gets back, until LJ gets to the PBA, and I don't even know if he's gonna be great there, but I don't know. I think ito yung medyo need mo na talaga mag-step up is Jonel Policarpio. I think it's time for Jonel Policarpio to stop being a bust of a top 8 draft pick, and he has to start really stepping into that into a really good role na for the team. Kasi he bet on himself, and admittedly, I don't really know if he's winning that bet right now.
Bro, Enoch Valdez, if he
Hindi siya nagagamit si Enoch. Hindi siya magamit.
no,
Hindi pa siya
that's what I'm
magamit eh.
saying. Na if he gets going the way we know he can get going, si Enoch, this will be good for NLEX. Because
There was a
we know,
game last year
di
as
ba?
to why Enoch Valdez stopped playing. I don't know if it was last year
Last
or
conference,
Last
Mario. Last
conference lang yun eh.
conference.
Last
Last
conference
conference
eh.
when
yun.
he kept
Yeah.
dropping the ball.
Oo.
When he kept dropping the ball, dude. I
So
don't.
sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium yun eh. I remember that game. But if he can get going, it will be great for NLEX. Bro, pinag-usapan natin kanina yung Converge needed the spot-up shooters. Man, Anthony Semera and Herndon in Converge will be lethal. But they don't have him.
Herndon.
Bro,
But
Herndon is a
si,
shooter. What do you mean?
shooter
I
talaga
know
si
he's a
Robbie to.
shooter.
But he
I
disappears
think
sometimes to si
I
Robbie.
think he's quite inconsistent to be called an
He
He's
is.
outside.
Pero
inconsistent.
yung threat ba sa outside. But yeah, I like this team. I don't know, you're so
Another side note, how dare you not mention former Barangay Ginebra Gene King, Dave Marcelo? How
Wala
dare
na
you?
talaga si Dave. Wala na talaga si Dave Mario. Nandyan lang siya for extra body.
Si
Pero
Dave
wala na.
Guapo? Si Dave Guapo?
I expected
Dude,
Miranda to make the lineup, but he's been having back issues. It's been the same injury for Mike. His lower back.
dude, Mike Miranda is supposed to be. I like Mike Miranda a lot,
Yeah, but he's
man.
always injured. Sayang lang
Yeah,
din.
that's the problem. That's the problem. But yeah,
Yeah.
Dave
Lex is a top
Marcelo. Dave Marcelo
7.
takes the most ill-advised mid-range jump shots you ever
Sa
seen.
Ginebra? Ganun ba siya sa Ginebra?
Kahit saan. Kahit sa TNT
Saan
tumitira
mo
yan sa labas eh.
Sa amin din eh.
Dave
Sa
Marcelo.
amin din.
Kahit saan mo siya ilagay, man. Mid-range gods yun.
Nagigising ako eh. Wow.
Sabay sila ni Japet tumira ng mid-range food.
Yeah. Imagine if he got the touch of Jervy Cruz. But yeah, it is what it is, man. I like it.
Alright.
I like this team.
Okay. Phoenix Masters. This is a solid team. You finally got a pure point guard in Evan Nelly. Oy, Prince Caperal!
Former
Kyle
rookie of the
Balungay,
year.
Tyler.
Former rookie of the year.
Hindi nga
Prince
siya rookie
Caperal.
of the year. Hindi nga siya
Fake
rookie.
news God.
I don't care what
Fake news
anybody
God,
says.
man.
He was the rookie of the year. I don't
Anyway,
care.
Coach Willie Wilson, bago, new coach. Hey F. Tapos, si Dave Ando I didn't expect Dave Ando to get signed up, pero here we are with Dave Ando. Where do we have Phoenix? I'm really confused where to have Phoenix. I feel like they're a toss coin team. 8?
Guys, I will say this
Yes,
in the
sir.
funniest way. I think Phoenix is a dark horse to be one of the better teams this conference.
Yeah, pwede naman. Pwede naman. Hindi yun absurd.
Here's my belief. Evan Nelly fixes a lot of Phoenix's problems, dude. Evan Nelly and you're gonna laugh at this when I say it, but Evan Nelly, Brian Santos, and Yusef Taha fix a lot of what may be wrong with Converge. With Phoenix. Phoenix had no big insight last year. Now they have Yusef Taha, who is a big dude. Right? I don't think they had a very steady point guard last year. Now they have Evan
That's
Nelly, who is
Evan.
one of the smarter ones.
I'm sorry,
Diba?
Mario.
Yeah, Evan.
Yeah. What did you say? Like, what you were saying something after the word Evan, Nelly. May sinabi ka.
Smartest point guards.
Yeah. Smartest point guards. Okay, yeah. Nawala
Yeah.
for a bit. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, sorry. And then again, dude, another year of Kai Balungay getting better, another year of Tyler Teo getting better. And then you add really good shooting in Brian Santos. Yeah,
Kaya mag
he
top
did.
5 for you? Or top 6?
Not top. I don't know eh. They could either be a bottom feeder or they're gonna surprise
Malaki
teams and
ceiling
end up-
nila. Malaki ceiling nila.
I think they have a very good chance of maybe ending up in like the 5 or 6 position, dude. I just think and basta for me, Richie Rivero is able to accept his role as the off the bench spark scorer. They're not a bad team at all, man.
Maganda yung team nila eh. On paper,
Bro,
maganda
I
eh.
like it. Their team is good.
Are they closer to NLEX or to Magnolia?
Depends. Where did you have Magnolia again?
8, 7,
And where did you have NLEX?
6? What? That's a...
Basta higher than Magnolia.
So NLEX is higher for you than Magnolia.
Oh,
Okay, so I would, if that's the case, I would say they're more close to NLEX than they are to Magnolia. But in my book kasi, Magnolia is higher than NLEX. So I would say they're more on the higher echelon sa tingin ko.
Oh,
Oof,
I will have this
echelon.
team over NLEX if you think about it. I will have Phoenix over NLEX right now.
Are you allowed to say that? I'm so curious if you're allowed to say that.
This
Why?
guy just
This is an independent podcast and I'm not even wala naman yung name ko publicly sa NLEX eh. I'm doing it behind the scenes.
Oh, well, not anymore, guys.
Eh, alam mo naman,
um
when jump ball starts, I will always say, shit. No, NLEX gets win number 1. We're going for the chip, boys. Yun yung una ko sinasabi.
To be fair, guys, he does really believe in NLEX. Like, and
yeah.
Yung ano.
he makes the
Ano
most
yan?
insane lies for it.
I'm not really big on Phoenix. I don't know. They who did they get sa draft?
Dave Ando.
Ah, uh, no.
Hello, Graham. Hello. Is this on? Is it on?
Naghanga pa
Is
yung
this on?
laptop ni Graham.
He just went. He just
Open
went.
sa Instagram. Open.
No. 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 They're a coin flip team. Yeah,
Siya ba to?
they're in that
Dito.
range, man.
Naman yan,
That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not high on Phoenix. No, that's it, man. I'm really done with them.
Really,
Alright.
dude? Even after they got Prince Caperal,
I mean, bro, they had
Di na siya
Yusef
naka-Hinebra
Taho
eh.
sa
Wala
former
na yung buff.
Hinebra player again.
Wala
Do
na
you know
yung
Yusef
buff
Taho
na
played for
Hinebra.
Hinebra? No.
parang he was on their roster, diba? I don't remember.
He played for Hinebra. He was on
Baka 5
the
years old pa si Mario.
2013 team. Yeah, you're right.
That's fine.
But yeah. Asa si Gozum?
For me, MPBL.
MP, Quezon Huskers.
MP.
Di pa tapos.
Here's
Okay.
They're
here's
going
the
for the
thing
chip.
again, man. Like, they have the pieces. I just don't know if they can put it all together. But they have the pieces, man. I'm telling you, if you ask any team, a lot of other PBA coaches right now, what roster they would want to start with,
Ito,
I would say
Phoenix.
some would say Phoenix, man.
Bata.
Bata, magaling. Pero it's just like, I just don't know if they can put it all together lang talaga. Nasa coaching na
Right.
for me.
Yeah, Willie Wilson's a new coach, so for sure magkakaano na naman dito. Coaching adjustments. Adjustments again with a new coach from Coach Jamaica rin.
Yeah.
Ross, Reno siya last to Pogies. Of course, Luis Villegas, the injured reserve pa
Ross,
rin.
wait, ako muna.
Oh,
Ross made the biggest mistake letting go of Cole Misek, dude. I just don't understand.
pati
Like,
Blackwater,
guys,
bro, hindi siya sinine. Pati Blackwater, hindi siya sinine.
dude, he's good, man. I am getting so tired of this thing where people don't know who he is, so they don't know he's good. But it's not easy to drop 26 and something with the Macau Black Bears, man. I don't understand, or maybe I don't really know it, but dude, and he fits the rain or shine guapos. Like, I don't know. Anyway, you can continue your intro on them. I just had to insert it.
Hindi, wala naman. More of very intact lineup. We got Stan the Man here as the main addition for this lineup. Top 6 for
Yeah.
Ross.
Yep.
They're a
Wait,
quarterfinals
saying-
team for sure. They're a quarterfinals
I've been
team
saying a
for
lot of
sure.
teams in the top 6.
There can only be 6, guys.
There can only be 6. There can only be
saying-
6. Top 6, top 8.
Saying Kevin Durant is top 10 player of all time, but you name 15 players. I forgot about
Wait,
Ross, to be
1,
honest with you.
2, 3,
I-
4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yeah. So, tama pa rin. So,
So
ano
the
pala
top 4
tayo
for
eh?
me is defined.
Yeah, so tama pa rin. We already discussed like what? 1, 2, 3,
lang, Nico.
4,
Medyo
5,
topic ka dun,
6.
Nico.
Medyo choppy ka dun.
Hindi mo marinig ka daw.
Yeah. No, I think I have NLEX above.
We
I
have
Ross
discussed
above
7
NLEX,
teams so
for
far.
sure.
We have discussed 7 teams before Ross. Before Ross.
Okay.
First of all, Graham, you are saying you have Ross over NLEX like it's a hot take. It is not a hot take, bro.
That's not a hot take, bro.
NLEX was
That's not a hot take.
NLEX. Last conference, NLEX number 2.
Pero-
Corbin number 1.
Kryptonite na lang, Ross. kryptonite nila, Ross. Pagdating sa
Oh,
playoffs.
what if they don't draw Ross, di ba? But this is a good lineup.
What
Leonard
if?
Santillana, I've been watching since high school. Bo
Kryptonite ng NLEX ang quarterfinals, hindi ang Ross. Ang kryptonite ng NLEX ang quarters.
that's true. Even when Kiefer
Hindi ko
Ravena was
makuha
there.
ko ang
Sino
bonus
man
ko.
yun?
Hindi ko makuha ko ang bonus ko rin. Hindi
is-
maka-1 win sa
Is this
quarterfinals.
the first time na si Bo Belga is changing numbers?
I don't know. What was his previous number?
30.
I don't know. He's back from Vertigo, by the way. He's gone the whole conference last time.
Oh, yeah. Diba? So, he's a good
So,
addition.
ano reasoning natin kung bakit nagpalit ng jersey number si Bo Belga? Did he lose 2
I don't know.
pounds? Did he lose 2 kilos? What?
Baka lost
Wow,
to
yeah,
I'm sure he lost to it.
Yeah.
Weird, no? Bakit si assist yun 0-8? Ba't di na lang siya 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano to? Go on, baby. Hey. What's this?
Oo nga, no?
That's
weird.
Sorry, I'm kinda talaga sa format, sa graphics. Diba?
Yeah.
Sobrang
I think that
One-
could be a
one-
him choice also though. 'Cause
One
some
guy.
Hmm?
Oo nga, no? Ba't lalagyan mo na zero sa unahan, di ba? But
Oo nga, pero okay.
one guy that I hope will step up for them and become really consistent is si Santillan. If he becomes
yeah,
that
si Len.
guy na who shows up scoring 20 points or averaging, I should say, 20 points, they will be really they can push TNT to 7 games.
Wild ang
Ay.
average 20, Grem, ha? Wild ang average 20, ha? It's a lot.
Did you just say Santillan averaged 20 points?
Baka average
How can he
10 to
average
12.
20? Brother, Coach Yang Yao won't even play him 20 minutes. How do you want him to average
No,
20 points?
yun nga,
brother?
di ba may games sa Santillan will score 20 na parang, hey, he could easily be the best player in the court. He carries Ross to a useless game 3 win versus TNT and then will never show up again in the series. If he can get that Santi Santillan, man.
Yung game 3
Ross will
Santi
be
pala.
really scary.
Game 3 Santi.
For
Game 3
me-
Santi, down 0-2. Di ba? No bearing, no pressure. Then he scores.
Brother, For me, yung pinakamalaking bagay dito is yung pagbabalik ni Felix.
Oh
I
yeah,
think
from a broken
Felix
hand.
return-
From a broken hand. Yeah.
Felix returning could be really good for Rain or Shine, man. Kasi he's a very good scorer. Friend of the pod, by the way. Very good scorer. He passes the ball decently. But again, I don't think Ross goes very far unless Keith Datu figures his shit out. If Keith Datu does not figure his shit out, Ross won't go far. But if he does figure his shit out, they could go very, very well far.
Diyan na si Belga to back him up.
Oo.
Yeah, but brother, it's a mental thing with Keith, dude. It's a mental thing with Keith. He's a really good player when he tries to be, man.
Oo, di ba? I
Brother,
think game 3 against Ross, nanonood tayo sa Araneta, he was really good.
Bro, he
against
can
TNT.
be so good. He can be so good.
Okay.
I agree. Solid team still. Don't want to see them. Oh, this is the most.
Yes, SMB. For me, number 1. Unahan ko na kayo. I feel like they're gonna be number 1. Royce Mantua, the rookie. Getting a slot along with Chris Miller. I didn't expect Royce to make it to the team, but Chris Miller I expected because of the hype and watching his tapes. But this is pretty
Yeah.
much their same roster. And we got our boy, number 33, Huami Chongson. Nawala na si Mario. He logged out. Wait, nawala si Mario, no?
Oh, that guy, man, just he
He lo-
went away.
Nawala siya, no? Tayong dalawa na
Ironically,
lang.
I don't know if that's
Wait, do you see this share screen?
I don't know if that's
Nawala.
staged or not.
Ay, nawala siya.
Yeah, no, wala talaga siya. Just reach out to him, bro. Hey, came back.
Wait,
Sorry.
where are we?
Hey, you missed a good part of the
No,
the
di
pod,
ata
brother.
di kinaya ng Zoom ko yung our boy 33 Wami Johnson. Di kinaya. Siya mismo yung nag-quit, pre. Sabi niya na.
Our boy 33.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
3-3.
I'm gonna make it simple with SMB until
Yeah.
someone figures out a way to stop Junmar Fajardo in the PBA. They're
In the
gonna
All
keep
Filipino.
winning
In the All
titles in the All Filipino. Yeah.
Mhm.
They're just Junmar is just too good for any Filipino to handle. And then the usuals are still there. Dinagdag mo pa yung Chris Miller. And then Wami Chongson with the experience that he has gained being the primary point guard of SMB. I think they should be and they are the rightful favorites heading into the
Yeah.
Philippine Cup. Chris Ross, who appears in the playoffs only, but that's fine because they don't need him in the regular season. So, um, team to beat for sure.
Team to beat. Number
Should be
one.
the odds-on favorite. If I'm a betting man, I'll put the kids' college tuition to SMB winning the championship.
Well, it's a good thing you're not a betting man.
That's right.
Dude, by the way, I know Nico and I, and actually Graham as well, made no mention. Well, Graham mentioned him at the end of the draft, but then me and Nico made no mention of Chris Miller in our mock draft. But looking at his tape and looking at how he's been playing in the scrimmages and whatever, it is an absolute shame that teams passed up on Chris Miller and let him fall to SMB, man. It's an absolute shame on you moment if you let Chris Miller fall this far into the draft. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait lang.
Well,
For si Titan Ultra pala siya. Sorry. Dude,
Chris Kun. Yeah.
they won't lose the championship, I think.
Yeah.
And it's just hard, man. Kasi even if Sonny still turns out to be the next Kevin Durant, he can't defend Junmar Fajardo.
Yeah,
Right?
yun talaga yung problema.
It's just you just can't.
Lilipat si Steele kay Fajardo.
I'll say Norbert Torres adds a good chance for Ginebra kasi he'll force Junmar to defend outside, but then at the same time he'll have to defend Junmar, and it's just not easy to defend Junmar. And then nothing even changed with the rest. You added a shooter in Chris Miller. Awami Chongson is still a player. Jericho Cruz, Bo Tautua, and Don Troliano are all still there. And then you still have that hell of a player in Marshall Aster ready to play. It's just not gonna be easy at all to defeat SMB, man. The only way you defeat SMB is when you make them play with EJ Anosike.
Oh, this guy, EJ Anosike.
EJ
man.
Anosike.
If we have to remember, the only reason, in my opinion, na Ginebra pushed them to 7 and TNT pushed them to 6 was Junmar was hurt in the semis and in the finals. If he was healthy all the way, I think the Ginebra series would have been short, and I think TNT may have gotten swept, really, for sure, because of the injuries in the finals. So, team to beat for sure. The dynasty continues. 1 million titles. And then adding for SMB. Wow, the transition from
12.
SMB to Terra Firma. 12.
Wala
Yeah,
kang ano dito, bro. JM Bravo.
Hey, now. Stop
Luis
it.
Anggalang.
Luis Anggalang is still there.
Luis
Okay.
Angelo. Oh, yeah.
And
The
if you
only...
guys didn't notice number 15,
Akala ko ba number
hello?
3?
No, number 15. Look at
Ano?
number
Prince
15 on that
Rivero?
list, man.
What do you think
Yeah.
it is? 2019?
I did not know Prince Rivero just signed to Terra Firma, by the way. I just saw
I
it
didn't
right
know,
now
bro.
as you flashed it.
Do they know?
And does Prince know?
That's Prince. Nandito pala ako. Pati siya nagulat. Looks like I made the lineup.
Man, I don't know what to tell you guys about this team, guys.
Same.
Not. Hey, JM Bravo, though. Hey, welcome to the PBA, JM Bravo from the LPU Pirates.
Not
but
so
yeah,
much to talk about. Not so much to talk about.
my
Not
bad,
much
dude.
to-
I'm
12.
just trying to find something good.
Wala.
Yeah.
Mark Nonoy. I wanna see
Shout
Mark
out Mark
Nonoy.
Nonoy, though.
Yeah,
Paul
Mark
Garcia
Nonoy.
to find this para mapitas na ulit.
Yeah,
Training
hey,
ground ni
there's-
Paul Garcia. This is Paul Garcia's training ground.
That's your PBA D-League right there. Paul Garcia make the most
Yeah.
out of it.
Get some
Somebody
stats,
gotta
Paul.
buy Terra Firma. Bro,
Back
somebody
out
gotta
nga.
buy Terra
Back out nga
Firma.
bigla. Parang, what are we?
Back out
What do we
nga
have
bigla.
here? You're like, ano ba to?
Somebody gotta buy him. Somebody gotta buy him
It's a
and make them a
disgrace.
real
It's
team,
a
dude.
disgrace to the league already, man.
Yeah, like it's just getting depressing watching them be part
Yeah.
of these things, man.
Okay,
There
the
you go.
Titan
There you
Ultra
go.
Giant Risers.
Man.
I think I have them at 10. 10.
Below Phoenix.
But
For
Chris Kun, shout out
Wait,
Chris
let's just
Kun.
talk about the name first, guys. I think it is so funny that So, am I thinking of the right branding that they're trying to go for here with the Titan Ultra Giant
It's a
Riser?
Pampagana. It's a Pampagana, yeah.
Oh, it's a Pampaga. That's my bad. That's my
Condom
bad.
ba?
That's my
Titan
bad.
Ultra.
I don't think they're a Pampagana.
It's
No, show.
Pampagana.
Look at images, brother. Go to images.
Well,
By the way, very
male dietary supplement. It's a Pampagana.
Ah, okay. Don't need it, but that's
Oh, promote sexual function. Oh.
I don't need it.
Oh.
I'll
Tama.
be
Anyway,
very
yeah.
real with you guys. I genuinely thought it was a condom brand, but okay.
I get you, I get you, I get you. But yeah, tama naman. It's in the
And
same,
when
ano
they
naman.
called them the Giant Risers, I almost sat up. Almost sat up, dude. That was absolutely nuts. But speaking of the team, Mario Barassi, hello.
Oh, fine.
Welcome to the Titan Ultra Giant Risers, Graham's goat. It's just gonna be. It's just
I'ma
one of
prove
those.
you wrong, man.
It's just one of those teams again, dude. I don't think they're as bad as Terra Firma, but I think they're not as good as Phoenix. I don't think they're as good as Phoenix, man.
Better than
Um,
Blackwater? Or
yes,
Blackwater
better
over?
than Black. Actually,
Pwede. 10-11. They could be
actually,
Yeah,
10-11.
better than Blackwater. Better than Blackwater for sure.
better than Black.
They're a young team outside of
I don't,
Calvin.
I don't know. Kasi Dolph plus Cedric plus David is a pretty
Malakas
good
no?
three-man core, ha? I don't really think you have a three-man core. Sige, the three-man core of Titan Ultra is Chris Kuhn, Mario Barassi, and Joshua Munzon. I
Bro,
think,
Cade Flores naman. Ba't Barasi?
wala lang. Yeah, Cade
To
or
satisfy me.
Calvin. Did you guys see yung post? Yung sabi nila na there's no chance Calvin goes to Ginebra. So it's
Why?
currently October 3. It's currently October 3. What do you guys feel in 6 months? So that
Bro, yun
is,
nga yung gusto kong mangyari sana eh. Kasi
yeah, I know you like him.
we need him. We need him.
Oh.
So but bro, I'm high on Calvin sa lineup na to. He can be their number 2 option, probably one at some point.
Who's
So
number 1?
Monson.
Hello,
Monzon.
is Chris Kuhn dead? Do you not see Chris Kuhn at number
No,
6?
Wait.
Chris Kun will be number 2. What are we talking about? The pecking order?
Yeah.
Yeah, yung
Si
parang number
Monzon
1 option.
muna. Kun has to adjust to the PBA
Yeah,
Monzon
first.
no,
He's
is
gonna
but
be
no,
number
number
Graham
2.
said that Calvin was either 1 or 2. That's
Wait,
like Chris Kuhn.
Okay. I didn't hear that. Yeah, sorry.
Bro, alam mo ako, I'm a big Calvin fan. Like
You
when
should see
he
Chris
has
Kun.
the ball, he either makes things happen or not happen. So
Well, Graham, when you have the ball, you can only really do two things, man. You can either make it happen or you can make it. I don't know if it's just Calvin who can do that.
Pati
no,
tayo
what I'm
ata.
saying is
Pati tayo ata.
when Calvin doesn't make things happen, you know what I'm saying. But
Yeah.
he can it's weird, no, Calvin being the leader. But
Oh,
he has
I'm
to
not
be in
sure
this
he's
group.
the lead.
This is a
He's
young
something. He's something though, but he's
this
not the
is a
leader. But he's something.
young squad. If they don't break the score up, you know, in 3 years, this can be good, but they will never stay intact. So that's all I can say. Definitely below Phoenix and above Blackwater for me, for me. But not definitely above Blackwater, but they're
They
in
could
that
switch
conversation.
So
Blackwater and
definitely
Titan
above
again.
Terra Firma.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Definitely below Phoenix.
Yeah.
And then between them and Blackwater, it's kind of like a who dependent.
Yeah, sinasagandang gising.
Yeah. I see it. I see it.
Definitely
Last
below
no?
Magnolia.
Ay, may
if I
TNT
can
mo
add.
pala.
Yeah, TNT.
I'm so tired, guys. We've been recording for an hour and a half.
Oo nga pala, yeah. That's last
This is
na
the
to.
PBA, man.
Alright, guys.
TNT.
TNT. By the way, guys, I want everybody to know this. When TNT signed Kevin Ferrer, Nico was going crazy. He was like, "Yo, is Kevin Ferrer gonna be the reason they win a championship?" And Graham and I just went, "Huh?" Graham and I went,
Believe
"No,
ako kay
man."
Kevin Ferrer. Believe ako kay Kevin Ferrer kasi I like Kevin Ferrer.
Maybe Nico, before sending that watch, Game 2 versus FEU, Kevin Ferrer na 6 3-pointers in the second
Yeah.
half. And hey, this
That
guy's
was the
inconsistent.
memory of Kevin Ferrer stuck in my head.
Yeah. Parang di ba yung adila. But I want to go first with TNT. They're the second best team in the conference.
I have them on number
Definitely.
2 also.
Yeah. They're just not
SMB,
anytime
TNT converge.
SMB TNT Ginebra. But that's a story for another day.
And then,
The
okay, yeah.
SMB TNT. Those are the teams to beat
SMB,
in.
TNT, Magnolia.
Stop it, man.
Yeah. Stop this
Yapping.
podcast. Stop it.
They lost Aram, which is big, but they're gonna get a healthier Jordan Heading. Almond Vosotros, by the way.
And
but
Reyna
their brother-
Batak's back. Reyna
Reyna
Batak is
Batak
back.
is back. If no Castro, I think wala na, hindi talaga babalik. It's gonna take some time more for Jason. Wala siya, di ba? So,
Wala. Hey,
if
kay Marin
Castro-
daw, 3-5.
oh, you mean Coach Chot's best friend? But they get a healthier Jordan
Bawal
Heading, one
magkamali.
conference. One conference.
Bawal
edge.
magkamali si Kim. Siya lang yung bawal
I can-
magkamali.
Yeah, I can legitimately see them winning the All Filipino Conference. And if they do, man, the Grand Slam is really, it's really up for them to lose. Kasi they're gonna get RHJ for 2 conferences. But All Filipino, I think you can easily pencil them in sa finals. I don't like saying that.
Oh, I
kasi
don't think so. But I don't know.
No.
Wala
You
kang
can
era,
pencil
malaki.
them into the finals, man.
I think it's gonna be a rematch.
I think the
SMB.
only team you can pencil into the finals is SMB.
SMB.
I
SMB
think
lang for me.
I think yung
TNT,
katapat
hindi.
is very hindi. I don't think so.
Mahirap.
Bi-
Open na,
but-
ano.
And here's my thing. Unless SMB makatapat nila sa semifinals, who's beating TNT?
I would say that Ginebra has a chance
Ah.
to beat TNT, man.
Converge, kaya.
I would say Converge has a chance to beat TNT.
Converge just has a better chance than Ginebra. But yeah,
Either of them have a good chance, dude. If I'm being honest with you, I don't really see why not. It's not like Ginebra's a bad team, man. They have a decent chance. Honestly,
styles make fights.
huh?
Styles make fights contra Pelo eh. So
Yeah, but
they're
I just
they're
don't.
good.
I don't think naman that they don't have a chance. I don't think you can pencil book TNT. I think you can pencil book SMB, but not TNT. They have TNT has the same lineup coming in, except they added Dicos Goat, Kevin Ferrer,
Yeah.
and Tyrus Hill, who I'm surprised made the lineup also. But this again comes down to health. If you're TNT, a lot of these guys are not really running on 100% anymore. Calvin has had some lingering issues. RR has had some lingering issues. Jordan definitely has had some lingering issues. And we haven't seen Ray since his injury, man. It really come back to injuries again. And if they end up healthy, I could say na Grim is right. Now they probably end up in the finals, but health is a major what if for the TNT team. They're like the Indiana Fever. Na medyo good
Ay.
the injuries and stuff, but yeah.
Pero they still went all the way, no? And well, they still went above their expectations at least. Without CC. Anyway,
Yeah.
They have that's right kasi Sophie Cunningham is like Kim rin, yeah. The looks, the thirst trap.
huh? Kim Maurin is not that guy.
Just end the
I know
episode.
my-
Just end the
Okay.
episode.
And that is the
No.
PBA 50th season review, guys. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Mario and Graham. I hope that you guys enjoyed our longest episode yet. We'll see you on the next time. Peace.
Adios amigos. I'm bluffing Ginebra will win the championship.